Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how you can change YouTube's full screen settings for your phone. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is go to your Google account on the top right, and then you can just go to your settings. And now if you go to general, you will find an option that says zoom to full screen. Now usually people would have this off and you would want to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it says always zoom so that videos fill the screen in full screen. So basically this is for such phones that just have a weird aspect ratio, and the videos that are uploaded are usually in 1080p or whatever resolution they are in. They just don't fill in that perfectly on your phone. So you can change the settings to that. And now I was watching this video, so now if I go to full screen, you can see that this video is fully fitted on my screen. And if I zoom out, it would say that this was the original size. So this is what I'm using is an iPhone 11, and even on iPhone 11 it's not working. The screen ratio is not perfect for the video explicitly. So you can see that it all had already zoomed it in. I don't know how much it did. It was probably this much. Yeah, you see it said zoom to fill. So that is how the YouTube setting works. Now this might not work for all videos, but for most videos it would. So that is all from this video. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.